What's up, fam? Alright, so this is Miss Shorty Rock. Got this F150 lariat lowered. People always ask me, well, why you take the truck out the truck? And I love showing them. The truck ain't out the truck, the thing just lowered. This thing been pulling Harleys all up and down the highway. And we ain't been from Maryland to Texas and back. I got some footage of it on the road too. So it's just doing what it do. Y'all see it. I'll add that to the video. Y'all see the clip of it rolling on the highway. Pulled like a hungry mule. All right, y'all. Get you one. Edit this. See? The truck is still in the truck. Look at that. See that? Perfect. They lowered F150 4x4. Pulling Harley. Low squat. Get you some.